Welcome. If you've ever wished for a quicker way to access your most important folders in Dropbox, starring them is the perfect solution. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through how to start a folder on Dropbox step by step so you can keep your key files right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that holds the folder you want to start. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom menu bar and tap on Files. This section shows all your folders and documents neatly organized in one place. Next, find the specific folder you'd like to mark as important. Once you spot it, look for the three dots right next to that folder's name. This icon opens additional options and tools designed to help you manage your files more easily. Go ahead and tap those three dots. A small menu will pop up with different actions you can take, such as renaming, sharing, or moving the folder. But the one we want is star. Tap star, and just like that, the folder is now one of your favorites. When you start a folder, Dropbox saves it to your starred section, making it super simple to find later. You can access all your starred folders anytime by going to the main menu and selecting the starred tab. It's a small step that saves a lot of time, especially if you frequently work with the same folders or collaborate with others on shared projects. That's all it takes: quick, clean, and efficient. Whether you're organizing work documents, school files, or personal projects, starring helps you stay organized and focused. Now, you know exactly how to start a folder on Dropbox, so go ahead and give it a try. Keep your priorities front and center and enjoy how much smoother your file management becomes.